Hello YouTubers, DP Devil again. Uh, I'm kind of amazed here. Uh, I got something really crazy going on here that I tried out, and um, just kick back, throw your feet up on the desk, and watch this. This might take a little bit to explain what's going on here, but okay. Right now I'm getting 380 watts into the grid. Um, my grid is 3,000 watts right there. My grid tie inverters, they're feeding this. It says I have 13. Batteries are also going. 3 amps, 4 amps. Um, right now, uh, this will tell you how much draw I have on my batteries right now. 0. This is actually pulling about 500 watts right now. So if I turn my solar power off, deep freeze on upstairs, everything's on upstairs. This plug-in over here is what's coming from that inverter. We're pulling 31 amps right now off the batteries. All my house loads are on. Uh, turn it back on. Turn the solar back on. Um, we're getting 3 volts for some reason. I don't know. Might be from the wind turbine. Wind turbine's on it also. Looky there. We're negative. We got 0.89 amps coming in on solar right now. Uh, we're my last video, I was adding on power inverters, and I was getting more amps. Well, I thought, well, what if I add on more draw? Won't I get more amps? And I've never been able to get more amps out of it except for like 32, 33. Watch this, guys. Okay, we're still negative 33 um, off the battery. The bank's running the whole house right now. The battery bank is. Okay, we turn over to here. I'll turn the switch on. Amazing. We're sinking to the 3,000 watt inverter. Nothing's blown up yet. Uh, if it happens, uh, I got my safety glasses on, so in case something decides to pop. You shouldn't probably do this at home unless you're got your safety stuff on and you know what you're doing. You know what you're messing with. This is a pretty high voltage here. Um, I don't encourage nobody to do this. See, there's our draw, guys. I'm positive 5 yet. I'm actually charging the battery. Look over here. We're getting 340. I can't seem to get it to. We're getting 360, 340. I'd like to do a demonstration, turn some more lights. Well, let's see. This light I got on right now changes it. Takes off 4. See if the amps moved. We're at 39, 39.21. Volts. Volts is at 307. And then it goes to 13.10 volts. This is a 120 light. It's hooked into my outlets, which is being ran by this. I know if you guys look back on some of my past videos, I have the emerge switch upstairs in my kitchen. It switches it over. This would be the first time that I've gotten 39 amps out of these solar panels. Just trying this. Well, guys, I better quit messing around and crunch some numbers and figure out what I'm doing and see how the house will power with different loads and things like that. And I'll get back. Well, let me see. Let me shut the battery, well, charger off. So now we're going negative, minus. So we're negative. That's amps. Wow, this is amazing. Hi. The old lady just got home. Well, guys, where the voltage goes after it doesn't get used in the house, these things just slow down, or do they go faster? Right now I got about 500 watts worth of stuff. She's going to turn the computer on right now. I can guarantee it. She just got home. Well, I think she just did. It just went up. So now we're actually negative since she turned the computer on upstairs. It's a desktop. So I'm going to turn the charger on. See what happens here. She's going up. She's staying negative. So really right now we're only pulling I'm running off of batteries and solar. That's it right now. We're using 7 amps with the whole house going right now. And we are putting 4 into the battery bank. This is pretty much minusing itself out. See, she's turning more lights on. She's probably in the bathroom now. Okay. Went up 4. Over here we're still at 39.94. You know, we're jumping around because she turned the light on, but it's still at 20 minus. So right now we're only pulling minus 21 out of the bank. Like I say, I'm putting into the inverter. We're putting into the inverter 386. Let's see how many amps this is coming out to. Almost 4 amps. It's amazing, guys. I'm gonna have to do some checking out on this stuff, but just something I thought I'd check out and try out. But like I say, we can look here too. Current amps 0.25 AC. AC power in kilowatts, we're using 0.27 kilowatts an hour, I imagine. I can hear the wind turbine spin a little tiny bit. Nothing's getting warm. Maybe I'll do another video. I don't know. I just didn't know this would work. But she's synced on to the inverter. Well, YouTubers, win, lose, or fail, here we are. The big thing I was thinking of is this right here. DC amps. I'm pulling 40 amps now. 40 amps. Let me turn charge controller off. minus 25 on the battery bank. Turn the charge controller back on. Brings it up to 40 amps from the solar panels. Alright, YouTubers, I guess we could look at volts. 1246, turn. Of course, we turn it off, we get more voltage, less amps. Don't know. More lights are on in the house, probably. The deep freeze, if it would turn on upstairs, we would know a lot more. I don't know if it is on or not. I'm putting 388 watts in. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, YouTubers. Tell me what you think. Later.